Hey there, explorers! Ever wondered how we find our way around our big round Earth? It's kind of like a giant game of where in the world is Carmen Sandiego. But instead of clues, we have lines. We call these lines latitude and longitude, and they make up Earth's coordinate system, like a grid that helps us locate any point on the planet. Latitude lines run east to west like the rungs of a ladder and tell you how far north or south you are from the equator. Think of the equator as Earth's belt. It's 0 degrees latitude. The north and south poles are at 90 degrees north and south, respectively. Longitude lines, on the other hand, run north to south from pole to pole, just like the segments of an orange. They tell you how far east or west you are from the prime meridian, which is an imaginary line that runs through Greenwich, England. Remember, latitude lines are like the rungs of a ladder, running east to west. Longitude lines are like orange segments running north to south. Now you can pinpoint any location on Earth, just like a pro. Let's take a trip to the Philippines, an archipelago of over 7,000 islands located in Southeast Asia. Look for the equator on your map, then move north just a bit. See that group of islands shaped like a giant letter C? That's the Philippines. The Philippines is surrounded by water, the vast Pacific Ocean to the east, the South China Sea to the west, and the Celebes Sea to the south. Imagine crystal clear waters teeming with colorful fish, pristine beaches lined with palm trees, and majestic volcanoes rising from the heart of islands. That's the Philippines. The Philippines is known for its biodiversity, delicious food, and warm hospitality. It's a place where you can explore underwater coral reefs, hike through lush rainforests, and experience a rich culture shaped by centuries of history and a blend of influences. Did you know that Earth is wrapped in a giant blanket of air? We call it the atmosphere, and it's made up of layers of different gases that protect us from harmful radiation from the sun and keep our planet at a livable temperature. It's like Earth's very own force field. Think of the atmosphere as a layer cake with 5 delicious layers. The bottom layer, where we live, is called the troposphere. This is where most of our weather happens, like fluffy clouds, rainstorms, and even snowstorms. Above the troposphere is the stratosphere, home to the ozone layer that protects us from the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays. Next comes the mesosphere, where meteors burn up, creating shooting stars. Above that is the thermosphere, where the air is very thin and temperatures are incredibly hot. And finally, the outermost layer is the exosphere, where the atmosphere fades into outer space. Remember, TSMTE, troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, exosphere. Each layer plays a crucial role in making Earth the perfect place for us to live. Have you ever wondered why we have different seasons? It's all thanks to Earth's amazing tilt. You see, our planet doesn't spin upright like a top. Instead, it's tilted on its axis at about 23.5 degrees. This tilt means that different parts of the Earth receive varying amounts of sunlight throughout the year. When the northern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun, it's summer there, with long days and warm weather. Meanwhile, the southern hemisphere is tilted away from the sun, experiencing winter with shorter days and cooler temperatures. Think of it like this. When you tilt a flashlight towards a wall, the light is brighter and more concentrated. That's like summer. When you tilt the flashlight away, the light spreads out and becomes dimmer, just like winter. Earth's tilt is the reason we have seasons, and it's what makes our planet so dynamic and full of life.